Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to add an image in Power BI Slicer. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. Let me show you the data table first. So I'll go to table view, and here you can see first column image ID, image URL, and the last column description. And data table name is images. Now let me go back to report view, and here I will add a one table, and I will adjust the size of the table. And in table I will add a image ID from data model, and after that I will add a image URL, and then I will add description. Now I will add one slicer here, and in slicer I will just add a image URL. So as you can see the image URL here, but we don't want a image URL actually, we want a picture here. So what I'm going to do, I will select a image URL column, and I will go to the column and tool, and from column and tool in data category, I will select image URL. The moment I will select image URL, now you can see here in the table also picture has been displayed, and in the slicer also you can see the picture. And now from here you can slice your table, okay, as usual. Now this is the actually list view. If you want to change to the drop down, you can also do it from here, the drop down, and you can see the picture here, okay, in the drop down. Now if you want a tiles, you can do the tiles also, and from here you can scroll, okay. So if you select this one, that's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.